Many people think about earning money from home through the internet, but they struggle to find the right path. Affiliate marketing can be an excellent career for you. In simple terms, affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting someone else's product. In today's video, we will learn how it works and how you can get started. What is affiliate marketing? Imagine you are promoting a company's product on your social media, blog, or YouTube channel. If someone purchases the product through your special link, the company will give you a certain percentage of the sale as a commission. You aren't creating the product, handling the delivery. You are earning simply through promotion. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Choose a niche. Instead of working with all types of products, select a specific niche. For example, gadget reviews, fashion, health, or home appliances. This keeps your audience targeted. Step 2. Choose the right program. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or those offered by local e-commerce platforms. Step 3. Create content. Create video reviews, blog articles, or share tips on social media according to your niche. People will only shop through your link if they trust you. Step 4. Bring in targeted traffic. Focus on SEO for your content and share it on social media so that people are encouraged to click your links. Step 5. Patience and analysis. Becoming rich overnight is not possible. Regularly track how many people are clicking your links and how many are making purchases, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Tips for success. Maintain honesty. Only promote products that are of good quality. Promoting poor quality products will ruin your credibility. Provide value. Don't just share links. Explain how the product will benefit people. Build relationships. Keep in regular touch with your followers and try to solve their problems. Conclusion. Affiliate marketing is a game of patience and strategy. For those of you who want to succeed quickly in affiliate marketing, I have a special ninja technique to learn how to gain benefits in 3 ways by creating just one piece of content. Write "I want to know" in the comment box. I will share this strategy separately with those who comment.